Hello, everybody. Jeff Casmer here, coming from Chicago, and a beautiful morning in Chicago as we are into August. And I was due for another video. I'm in the middle of helping our customers, and I am trading. And I had to stop and do this video because I just had kind of a light bulb moment. I just want to take my head and pound it against the wall, and I want to potentially help others that might be struggling with this type of mindset. Okay. So first of all, let me get the particulars out of the way. I've been making money online for 23 years. I've been a forex trader for 5 years. We are with the #1 trading team in the world. We are helping thousands of people become successful traders through a special strategy, smart money strategy, where we trade with the banks, not against the banks, as most people who trade are retail traders. All right. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you got comments, post below. If you're trying to reach me, you can reach me at, hold on, Jeff Casmer on Facebook. If you're interested in a free trial where you can check us out for 5 days free and sit in on our daily webinars that we have with our team, just reach me on Facebook and I'll hook you up. Our trials run Monday through Friday. We do this every single week for all of our teammates. And we have just released a new indicator that we have tested and spent thousands of dollars on that's absolutely crushing the markets. All right, so let me get to the purpose of this video. Let me turn my phone down real quick. Okay, so I've been talking to a customer. I was sending people, I do the building of the business side, right? I help bring people in to help change their lives trading successfully, as well as just a trader. Now, just for those who are interested in trading, only 96% of our team just trades. We just trade, right? But there's about 3 or 4% we like helping others become successful. And I'm at the point in life that I love helping people become successful at trading the foreign exchange markets. Okay. So there's a customer that I've been talking to since, and I'm going to minimize this. And of course, I've covered to protect him. I spoke to him this morning, and I wanted to pound my head against the wall. For those that are struggling with a business model where you have to pay a monthly fee to learn how to trade, okay, is just amazing. After 5 years, some of the stories and some of the reasoning and some of the mindset that I hear. Okay. First of all, if you want to learn the basics of trading, you can go to YouTube all day, all night, babypips.com. And yeah, I know marketers aren't supposed to promote other sites. That's the basics. If you want to learn a strategy, then you come to us. If you want to learn a great strategy, that you join our team. Okay. So, but some people get stuck with the mindset, I got to pay a fee. I got to pay a fee. Oh, I just can't do that. I'll just figure it out on my own. Go to YouTube. In the end, you're going to lose more money than if you paid the fee. Ask yourself this question I'm going to ask you at the end of this video. If you had to pay 6 months of a fee, right? Let's say it's $175 a month. 6 months, okay? Or even 9 months. And at the end of the 6 or 9 months or even a year, you were a 6-figure trader. Would you do it? Would you do it? Right? Part of that is believing in yourself. Part of that's believing in us as a team. Let me tell you something. And you can see other videos on my YouTube channel about our Discord community, our private Facebook group, our daily sessions, our weekly outlooks, our team training website, step-by-step videos. We've got it all. Okay? We know we've got it all. And that's why we're helping people every day crush the forex markets. But remember that question when I get to the end of this video. All right. So obviously I talk to a lot of people besides helping our teammates. And I also call out trades in our trading chat, anybody I bring on board the team. I'm obviously talk to customers who reach out, see me on social media. Hey, I want to learn how to trade. Okay. So I've protected the identity of this person because I'm trying to use this as an educational tool. Okay. So let's go here. Okay, so this person reached out to me. Now I want you to see the date. This is February 20th, 2019. All right? And waved at me, reached out, are you an IQ option? All right, then unsent a couple messages, and the person wants to learn about trading. All right? So my response was, and I'm not going to explain the whole chain here because obviously we have talked for almost a couple years now, okay? Sounds good. I can add you to our free trial group and learn more about what we do trading-wise, right? Exactly what I discussed. You can have a free trial at the end of the 5 days. It's not for you. You walk away. We're good. No biggie. All right? I think that's... So the person got a free trial, took a free trial. You know, obviously didn't join us, but obviously still following. Okay? Let me make sure I picked the right one. I did. Okay. I didn't get the exact date on this. So this is probably in the same early part of the conversation. All right, this person, no, these days I lose my trades, okay? And definitely wants to join the group, and obviously these are voice messages. And then need to join the group to add deposit fees. Okay, well, we have teammates from all over the world. All right, I can't remember exactly where this person's from, but by all means, all right, we have international members on our team, Americans, Canadians, Australians, from the UK, from India. I mean, everywhere in the world we have teammates. And that's the beauty of our community is we are worldwide, okay? So as you can see, let's see, can I blow this up? Let me not try it. Anyway, it's not really that important, but you can see in the red, this person's losing trades. So obviously, they're trying to figure out a way to learn how to trade, okay? Now, time after time, as you can see, and I can show you the rest of the conversation. I'm only going to show you one more screenshot. This person was in the mindset of, I got to recover my trades before I can join you. Okay, I want you to see my reaction to that. What? Are you kidding me? You have to recover your trades before joining us. And of course, ask me to help. Let me hit myself again in the head. No! Okay? Now, you stop trading because whatever strategy you learn isn't working, right? Or from YouTube or however the person learned, right? Total mindset, right? That person, by the way, I talk to people every day. I can see the mindset right away, right? This person doesn't want to pay a fee. He wants to be a six-figure trader without having to invest in his education, right? It's like going to college. It's going to trade school, okay? You got to invest in yourself, all right? And at $175, which is what our monthly cost is, that's peanuts compared to the value we provide you. Okay, we provide $175 in value in the free trial in your 5 sessions, all right? But you can see other videos on my channel about what we have to offer. Okay, that's not really the purpose of the video. So obviously this person just the wrong mindset. So we talked over time, and again, this is 2019, right? Right, 2019. We are now almost 3 years later, a month short. Okay, so then I update this person. Let me minimize this. I want to show you my wall. So I periodically send updates to customers. I'm sorry, to people who have been interested in joining us but haven't quite pulled the trigger. And we just released an indicator. Okay, so this is what I sent this person and anybody I've talked to, all right? And this is from our Discord community. All right, our ATH indicator just got released. Now, let me be clear. We've been crushing it for, 5 years. We're on year 6, even without this indicator. But now this indicator is even a bigger game changer. Doesn't mean you're not going to lose trades, but as you're practicing and learning the strategy, and then when you perfect the strategy, you're going to lose less trades. And that's what this indicator does. So this is Sean from our Discord community who got a 1.97 risk to reward. So that means if you risk $1, Sean made $10. All right? If you risked $10, Sean made $100. You can see the possibilities are endless. Then the rest of the screenshot is Mike. Started out with a potential 1 to 5 in USD JPY, and it went for 1 to 18, almost 18. Okay? That's insane. And we have these all on our channel, all day, every day. And now with the ATH indicator, our testimonials were already up here, our success stories. Now they're just going to even go more through the roof. Right? It's a game changer. Okay? So let me go back to my conversation, and we touch base. You can see my screenshot. And the person's first response was showing me the screenshot, and I can tell you what this is because he had about $700 in the account. Obviously, this red means he's losing all these trades, and now he's down to 100. And look what his response was. I have to wait until my account gets recovered. It's worth taking my glasses off. 3 years later. This is where mindset's part of it, right? If you want to learn to trade somewhere else, another team, another group, another company, by all means. But sometimes people are their own worst enemy. 3 years later, almost 3 years, and that's the mindset. So I'm having these messages, and I'm passionate about what I do. Stop trading. Stop. Take $99.99 out of your account and get $100 or something like that. Come up with the other $75, $80. Join our team. We're going to have you demo it first. Learn the strategy. Be a six-figure trader. Then you can put money in your account and start to trade live again, or become a funded trader, right? And now you've perfected a strategy because we have outlined a step-by-step plan. You're not going live when you first join us. You're going on demo because that's what the training allows you to do, right? But this person, and I didn't take another screenshot, this person, I said, you haven't made any money in trading in 3 years, have you? And he said, nope, just losing. Mindset, right? This person, and this, by the way, this happens to lots of people, right? You have to get over this part. Sometimes you have to invest in your education and your livelihood to change your financial future. This person just didn't want to do it, thought he could do it on his own, thought he could continue to do it. Free YouTube videos. By the way, a lot of the free YouTube stuff is from the banks because they want to take your money. Did you know that? Okay. 3 years later, and I feel bad for this person. So I'm emotional because I'm trying to help this person while I'm trading and helping our current customers. I'm saying, stop trading. I said it multiple times. Stop trading. Withdraw everything but a penny. Don't close your account. Get the other $75. Join us, and we will help you become a consistent, successful trader, whether it is 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or a year, because of what we have laid out. And part of that is mindset. And obviously, this person needs to work on mindset. We have an entire mindset section. We just don't throw you a strategy, right? These people go on YouTube and go through a strategy, right? And I saw one of his trades, by the way, and I'm not going to enlarge it. He over-leveraged. He didn't have a stop loss. He thought it was going to reverse. All the mistakes that you make when you're trading, okay? So the question, as I end this video, is, if you knew you could become a successful full-time trader in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or even a year at $175 a month, is it worth it? Yes. That's it, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Any comments? Please. If you want to get a free trial and check us out, reach me on Facebook. The actual link will be in the bio section. Time to get back to helping a lot of customers and trading. Have a good day, everybody. Take care.